Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to create equalizer preset for the headphones Xiaomi Buds 5. You have to start by open Xiaomi application. Now click on the audio effects, then audio balance. Click here and choose custom. And now choose the best one for you. Let's say something like this. It's okay for me. And go back. And we did it. Thank you for watching. Oh, sorry. Yeah, and the last one. You can remove it if you don't like this preset. Just click on the trash icon near to equalizer. Okay. And it will clear it. And you can change it again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!